Good morning, folks. It's a cold 28-degree morning. We're dropping Dash off at the groomers so we can head out and go start working on cutting the perimeter of the lot. And we'll see you when we get there. Measuring the perimeter based on the county website until the surveyor comes out next month. Barbed wire and chain. We found a booby trap. Don't yank it, just cut it. Right into the middle stuff, yeah. Where did what go? What are you looking for?
There's a piece that fell right down my back.
I don't know. If it's in behind your back, don't step back. Don't worry about it. Just finish the rest.
Just wash the floor.
So when I start with the chainsaw again, I don't trip over it. You see any more other than this over here? Toss it. Y'all see it? Toss it with the metal roofing. That way we know where it is when we get to clearing that section. I think it's sticking off what's supposed to be that piece of fencing. You can tell they put that fencing up themselves. Something else is back up in there too. No, throw it over there. It's a piece of PVC pipe. Let's put it over there.
Alright, no.
Is that all the chain? Is that all the barbed wire?
Yeah.
I need you to be helpful.
Who, me?
Well, we almost finished one side, clearing for the fence line. Luckily, there's barbed wire and the end of, or a corner piece up there to the fence where it began. So we're spraying the barbed wire white all the way down the perimeter, trying to clear space for the surveyor when he comes next month, and for the utilities people when they come on Wednesday to put out the markers, so I know where I can and cannot dig. So far so good. It's taking longer than I expected, but it's good. Time for a potato chip and Gatorade break. See, I'm gonna spend some money having trees removed. I said, I'm going to have to spend money to have these big trees removed. The ones in the middle I'll do, but the ones on the perimeter I'll have.
I wonder how much it would cost me to get this whole lot clean.
That's already told you. They said they'll come clean it for me for $7,200. Exactly. I will clean it every weekend before I spend $7,200.
Was there any other options?
And that wasn't even to cut the trees down. That was just for the brush.
Why so much?
Why so? Because they have machinery to do it. $7,200. And plus, by this little town being out in the middle of nowhere, no place like that has the equipment is in this area, so everybody would have to commute at least 30 minutes to get here. I don't know why you're struggling. We have the whipper or the saw blade. Watch it so you can bring your safety goggles next time. We're almost to the back property line. Almost there. Stay on target. Well, we ran into a snag. I have to fix my chainsaw and I'm running out of daylight. So I'm going to call it a day and come back next weekend and see if we can finish this side. Looks like we didn't have very many more feet to go. So we marked the barbed wire for the perimeter fence. And when we come back again, we'll finish this side and then clear the perimeter fence along the back of the property. So far so good. I'm happy with the progress we made today. There's trash that needs to be picked up, but that's fine. Good job, good job. Now we get to journey home. The next door neighbor was kind enough to show us the fence that was previously installed so we can follow it, because I don't want to be on his property. So that was nice of them.